beginning of this house, owner wanted to have a very hotel kind of feel. In the end, after a few rounds of the color selection, we go for a modern posh theme to the entire house. The main color palette of this house, what I basically using is we have the very classic dark wood, and I have the white marble wall to have a contrast, and also some gold accent as a detail of the feature wall, so to enhance the entire luxury feel. This is our original door-key unit. For the living room, for their family members, it's very limited space. And for the kitchen, it's originally an enclosed concept kitchen with a very limited workspace and storage space as well. Originally, there's a wall in between the studio apartment area and this two-bedder condo unit. We hacked out the wall in between the studio apartment and the two-bedder condo unit. And then we push back the wall to the studio side to create a third bedroom, as well as to create a more spacious living room for them. We hacked down the original enclosed kitchen and the wall to open up the space, then so that we can also cater in island table for them. For the customized island table, we try to maximize the space and cater at least 8-seater so that it can accommodate more guests. So after we open up the original enclosed kitchen, we create more storage space for them, as well as we improve the entire workflow for the owner when they are doing the cooking, baking. The major changes in the master bedroom is I actually hacked down the wall in between the master bedroom and the common bedroom area and replaced it with a wardrobe to accommodate more storage space, also without affecting the size of the master bedroom area.